Hey there, everybody. Welcome to episode number 236 and a half of the Veterinary Marketing Podcast, where it's all about how to attract, engage, and retain clients to your veterinary hospital using digital marketing. My name is Brandon Brashears. Thank you so much for listening. In today's episode, we are going to be talking about the two types of transactional clients that I think you should really be focusing on. And the questions that I'm going to give you to ask yourself are just really quick, simple. It's going to help to provide a lot of value to you. So before we begin, I want to mention one thing, which is I have a free training called How to Recession-Proof Your Veterinary Practice. The economy is going kind of crazy, and if you want to get ahead of it, make sure that you don't slow down. If the economy slows down, be sure to head on over to veterinarymarketingpodcast.com/recession. That's veterinarymarketingpodcast.com/recession. All right, let's jump into today's episode. So there's three kinds of searches that happen on the internet. You have informational search, you have transactional search, and you have branded search. So you have people that are searching for info. That's really typically hard to convert because you have to educate people, drive them through your funnel, etc. Then you have branded search, which people know, like, and trust. That's very powerful for you as a brand. If it's competitors, branded search, not usually something good to target just because you're going to get traffic confusion. And then we have transactional search. So transactional search falls into two categories. People either know that they have a problem or people are looking for a solution. And that might sound the same, but it's actually very different. So people that know that they have a problem, maybe they're searching for things like my dog can't walk today. My dog is vomiting. My dog is not eating, etc. Like those kinds of things. They have a problem. They're looking for a vet to solve that problem. That's definitely a high-value potential search. The other thing that you have are people that know that they have a problem and they know that they need a solution. Examples of that are cherry eye surgery, spay for my cat, stomatitis, tooth extraction for my dog. Specific solutions that they're looking for. Also very, very high in terms of value to target those people. So when you're thinking about your best clients and when you have your best clients come in, or clients that you love to work with, or somebody comes in that's new and you're like, I wonder how these people got there. Start asking questions about it and start saying, okay, what are we going to do to get more of these people? How are they finding us? What is their process? Where are they spending time online? How are they getting to this place? How can I get in front of these people? Really be intentional about that. When you're in the exam room with somebody and you're asking questions about how they came to see the problem, what they did once they saw the problem, what their behavior was like, not in a creepy way, but just say, okay, you saw your dog was not eating. What did you do first? And then maybe they'll say, well, I went online, I looked at tons of videos, and I thought that maybe it was this or this, and kind of get that feedback if you can. Sometimes it might be hard, but I think there's tremendous insight in that. So start being aware. Are the people that are coming in, are they more aware of a problem that they have, or are they more looking for a solution? If you can target more of those, which it's really easy to do on Google Ads, that would be a really great way to generate a ton of new dream clients. I hope this was helpful, and if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out. Don't forget, head on over to veterinarymarketingpodcast.com/recession. Training is live this Thursday, and for future people, it'll be recorded and on demand there. All right, have a great day, everybody, and I'll talk to you soon.